Okay. So the IVIVC means that you can get a correlation between the release profile you have in vitro, like in the beaker, and what happens in the body. So to do this, you need to have a good in vitro release testing method, a method that can really mimic what's happening in the body. So again, my lab has been successful in doing this for microsphere products, for several microsphere products that are on the market. We have taken ones that are already in the market, and we've developed IVIVCs for these using the apparatus 4 method. And what is important is that the in vitro release testing method should not change or vary the mechanism of release from what happens in the body. So for example, if your in vitro release testing method can maybe occur too quickly, then you might lose different phases of the release profile. With these complex products, such as microspheres, you can get an initial fast release, and then a slower release in the middle, and then a faster release again at the end. So like 3 phases or possibly 2 phases. So if the method speeds things up really a lot, you might not see all those phases. So you will not get this direct correlation to what is happening in the body. So it's to really have a good in vitro release method, then maybe do some study in animals to look at the release profile in animals, see if you get a correlation, and then that can lend you to maybe further develop your in vitro method to get a good correlation with animal studies, which gives you confidence that you could go on to clinical studies. But also important in IVIVC is to compare more than one product. You cannot just compare one set of microspheres. You need to have some range of similar microspheres with slightly different release rates in vivo and in vitro to get a comparison.